Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further. Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video is going to be NYKAA haul. I recently purchased a couple of products from NYKAA during their Diwali sale. They were offering a lot of discount on makeup and skincare products, so I bought few of them. This is the box full of products. So if you're excited to watch what all I purchased, please keep on watching. Before that guys, please do hit that subscribe button and also click on this bell icon so that you get notified. And it does mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and support me. The products I'm showing you in this video will be linked below in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box out. So without any further ado, let's get into the haul. I'm just randomly showing you whatever I'm getting from the box first. So firstly, I got this makeup brush. This is from PAC, dense concealer brush. I wanted this for a long time. You know, dense brush for blending your under eye concealers. So this is the PAC brush number 219. It's a concealer brush. I haven't used this guys, but it looks so promising. I'll try this out and let you know how it fares. The cost of the PAC concealer brush is rupees 395 and there were no offer for this. The next product I got was from Himalayas. It's their Neem Foam Face Wash. It's a purifying face wash. I love the way it cleans my skin after removing my makeup. It makes me feel squeaky clean. So that is why I repurchased this ml of product, and this costed me rupees 190. So the next product I got is also from Himalayas. Again a repurchase, and this is nothing but their refreshing and clarifying toner. This is alcohol free toner, and this is also one of my holy grail product. I've been using this toner for so long, and this is my 4th or 5th bottle of this toner. This is one of the product I use every day in my night routine. I will make a separate video on my night skincare routine very soon, so you will know how I will use this product. We get 100 ml of product, and this cost rupees 83, but I got it for rupees 54. So I got some discount on this. Next product is also a restock, which is nothing but my sunscreen lotion. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sun Block, this mattifying sunscreen. I have talked a lot about this sunscreen before on my previous hauls also. This is also a restock, and I've been using this product for more than 2 years now, and I've emptied a lot of tubes. It doesn't make me look white. It doesn't leave a white cast like other sunscreen does. Wet proof, so it never moves from your place. It's the best formula when you want to apply makeup on top of a sunscreen. It never makes the makeup slide down or melt down. We get 88 ml of tube. It originally cost rupees 549 and I got it for 514. So the next product I got is the NYKAA Lips Don't Lie lip filler or a lip liner. I got it in the shade Pillow Talk, and this is the shade I absolutely love guys. It has a perfect amount of pink and brown, and also it has a little bit of peachish undertone. It's a perfect nude by itself. So it's worth mentioning that they are paraben free, cruelty free and preservative free. We get around 1.14 gram of product, and it costed me around rupees 350. I just love their formula of the lip liners, and I'm looking forward to try more shades from this range. So the next product is obviously the new launch again from NYKAA. It's their Ultra Matte lipstick, and I got it in the shade Nefertiti. I love this shade a lot. I just insert a clip of me applying this lipstick on top of Pillow Fight. It's a beautiful shade. I exactly don't know how to describe this shade. I'll just show you how it is. I'm wearing that now and it's a comfortable matte finish. The lipstick while applying does not tug or pull on your lips, and it is giving you absolute matte finish like a liquid lipstick, but more comfortable than a liquid lipstick. And this is a vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free product. We get 4.2 grams and it costed me rupees 550. So the next product I'm going to show you is also a restock and one of my holy grail product, and that's nothing but the Sugar Brow Definer. This is the shade number 02 Top Tom. This is a perfect shade for my brows. It makes my brows look natural. I just love how the formula of the product, it does not come off from my brows that easily. This is easy to use, consumes very less time in shaping your brows. So the cost of this is rupees 499. There were no discounts. So the next product I got is for a false lash. I had a plan of collecting few lashes for makeup tutorials. I am not a false lash person. I use false lashes just for the sake of makeup tutorial. I'm not comfortable wearing them and I'm not comfortable in applying them too. I had lot of options in my head, especially the back lashes. After going through a lot of lashes, I just came across this brand called Bolly Glow Star Beauty Secrets. This is a 3D false mink lashes. I don't know whether this is the lash name or style. I can see that it's called some Mumbai Life winged effect lashes. This is how it looks. They cost rupees 495 and I got it on discount. I got it for rupees 421. So the next product I got is also one of my holy grail product. I love NYKAA Kajal. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. Actual cost is rupees 375 and I got it for rupees 300. You get 1.2 gram of product. So the next product I got is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Skin Therapy Oil. This was in my wish list for so long and finally I bought this. If you guys want me to review any of the products I've shown here, please do let me know through my comment section. Particular oil helps you in improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, aging skin. So I'm trying it out, guys. I'll let you know how it is. This costed me rupees 525. I did not get any discount on this particular product. So the next product I got was Tea Tree Essential Oil. Just don't mind this box, I couldn't close it because I started using with the dropper. So this is the Tea Tree Essential Oil from the Beauty Co. We get 15 ml of product for, and I got it on discount. It's originally cost rupees 350 and I got it for rupees 263. The next product I got is from Innisfree. It's Innisfree Wine Peeling Jelly Softener with red wine and green complex. For a long time I was thinking I wanted to buy a skin peeling product to remove all my dead skins and exfoliate my skin well. So when I went through the products on NYKAA, I saw a lot of skin peeling products from Body Shop. The Body Shop products are really expensive and it's an investment. Yeah, skincare is an investment, I agree. But I just wanted to find products that work for my skin and also it's under a budget. So finally I came across this particular product from Innisfree. It costed rupees 900 but I got it for rupees 810. This was also on discount. So that if you go through NYKAA website, you will know, guys, you have lot of discounts, lot of free product when you buy above certain range of amount. I got 2 free products on my orders. The first one is this sample product from Innisfree. This is their Jeju Volcanic Color Clay Mask. It's a calming kind of mask. Product I got is this NYKAA So Matte lipstick. I got the shade 01M Notorious Red. This is a full size product. I got it for free and I really love the color. If you see, every time the products you get free, especially the lip colors, mostly from different brands, will be something pale for the Indian skin tone, and something pale or something which doesn't suit deeper skin tones. But I appreciate NYKAA for giving a beautiful red shade that goes with every skin tone as a free product. So this is the shade, guys. This is Notorious Red. Caps are not so strong. You'll stay put in your bags whenever you're traveling. If you have enjoyed watching this video and if you want to watch more NYKAA hauls, please click on that thumbs up button and give it a like. And also you can follow me on all my social media platforms down below in the description bar. The links are given there. And if you want me to review any of these products, do let me know through the comment section. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.